Hello, my name is Francisco Bustos, and I'm going to be delivering the program Get Ready for University, which this year is going to run online from the 21st of December to the 29th of December, which is over the holidays, and it's a good time sometimes to fill it up with something different to do. UCAS deadline for those applying for September 2021 is actually coming up in January. On the 15th of January is the last day you can submit an application. By doing the course, you would learn a lot about how to select universities, how to complete a good personal statement, how to get a good teacher reference, and lots of things that usually students overlook when they're applying to UK universities. In the past, we have helped students with ambitions such as King's College and studying the prestigious universities in the north of England, like Manchester, or even having a potential look at Oxford and Cambridge, which is also always interesting because once the students have a look, then sometimes they decide that it's not for them. But if it was for you, we will give you the right advice. We like to keep in touch with the students who do the course. We like to think that it's not just a week intensive program, but we tend to help the students even afterwards. So we usually give the students our contact email so they can then keep in touch and see how they make progress with their application. We like to think that we are more than just an intensive 1 week course. We in small groups, but we like to think also that we're interested in what you're trying to achieve. So join us online this December. If you've got any doubts about your UCAS, your application to UK universities to start in September 2021. So you're welcome, and we hope to see you there.